So today we are going to study about the kinematics, very important questions about kinematics. And what is kinematics? The study of motion without discussing the cause of motion is called kinematics. So let's get started with the first MCQs, that is total distance covered in total time is termed as instantaneous speed, average speed, uniform speed and variable. So answer is average speed. And then second is distance in the specified direction is termed as directional speed, unidirectional or displacement. So right answer is displacement. Any kind of distance in a specific direction is called displacement. And the next is the speed of the truck is 40 meters second. After 10 seconds its speed decreases to 20. Its acceleration is what? So by using this formula, acceleration is equal to Pf minus V over T. So right answer is minus 2 ms minus 2. So right unit is ms minus 2. Next is symbol for distance is, so as you know that we represent the distance as a symbol of small d. So the right answer is small d. So next MCQs is about when the speed of object changes the velocity. So as you know that whenever speed change, it means that velocity will also change. So velocity, because velocity is the rate of change of speed, so whenever speed will be changed, velocity will also be changed. So next we have a car stops and then start accelerating uniformly at rate of 3 meters per second square. Speed of car after 20 seconds is. So again we have to use the formula acceleration is equal to Vf minus V over T, Vi over T, and the right answer is 60 ms minus 1. So next we have one of the characteristics of air resistance. It does not oppose the motion, it decreases with the speed of object. So as you know that resistance means anything that decreases the speed of the so it increases with the density of the air always. So the right answer is it increases with the density of the air. So next MCQs we have symbol for speed. So the symbol of speed is V as the symbol of speed is D. So right option is third one, V. So next MCQs we have that deceleration is also known as. So as we know that negative acceleration is also called retardation or deceleration. So the right answer of this MCQs is retardation. Means when the velocity of the object is decreasing with the time, then it's called negative acceleration, means retardation. So next we have air resistance is a frictional force, gravitational force, backward force or balanced force. So right answer is frictional force, because air is a frictional force, means which opposes the motion of an object. So right answer is frictional force. So next we have if a feather and an iron bar is released from a same height in a room without any air resistance, the first one to fall is. So the right answer is both at the same time, because in the absence of any kind of resistance, the both object will fall at the same time. So next we have gravitational force of earth is. So the right answer we have the value of G, which is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. So next we have the symbol for time t. As we know that the symbol for time t is small t, and for the time period it's capital T. So right answer is small t. And the first one is for the distance, and the second one is for the velocity, and third one is for time, and the last one is for seconds. So next is following that is know the characteristics of air resistance is, that is know the characteristic. So the right answer is it increases with the speed of the object. Of course it's not it decreases, so it does not decrease with the speed of the object, it increases. So the next one is standard formula for speed, distance and time is what? So as we know that the formula is V is equal to d by t, means velocity is equal to the rate of change of displacement. So right formula is equal to V over dt. And next we have formula for acceleration. So as we know that acceleration is a rate of change of velocity. So the right answer is change in velocity with respect by time taken, means how much velocity is changed in unit time, that is called acceleration. And so next we have changing or inconsistent speed inconsistent speed is termed as. So when speed is not changing, that is called speed is changing, like it's not consistent, so it's changing. So the option is a variable speed. This is a right option. And the next we have theory that all objects falling under gravity accelerate was discovered by. So who was the scientist who discovered this thing that it is independent of the mass in the absence of any frictional force? The right answer is Galileo. So next we have negative acceleration is termed as we have already discussed that it's called retardation, means negative acceleration. So right answer is retardation. So the right answer is retardation, means when velocity is decreasing with the time. So next we have acceleration due to free fall or gravity doesn't depend upon. So it does not depend upon shape, size and material. So next we have speed that you check for a moment on speedometer is termed as. So any kind of speed that is just for an instant is called instantaneous speed. So right option is instantaneous speed. So this is it for today. Hope so you like the video.